technology which they hope will overcome a major stumbling block in heart surgery. Grafted tissue doesn't always beat in sync with the heart, but new muscle patches can be made to beat in response to light. Adele Robinson reports.
Created here in the lab, these are beating heart cells.
We can transplant these back into a patient's heart to try and repair them after a heart attack.
And this is part of the technology, taking all that to a new level.
When someone has a heart attack, they lose around 5 billion heart cells each time. This robot is unique because on each run alone it has the capacity to produce 4 billion, which is almost enough to create tissue for one patient.
And it's that tissue that's special. Scientists here are engineering it to beat in response to light.
What we would like to try and do is engineer a special type of protein into those cells that's light sensitive, so we can control the beating of those transplanted cells with light, so they're in synchrony with the rest of the heart.
And here's how it all works. DNA from stem cells are cut open and light-sensitive genes are inserted. The stem cells are then grown into heart cells responding to different coloured light. Blue causes the cell to contract and yellow to relax. Finally, they can be injected into a heart and lights can control its beat.
This is a copy of the ECG whenever I was having the huge heart attack in the hospital.
Diagnosed with heart failure 3 years ago, Bronnach says news of a leap forward in heart tissue engineering gives her faith.
Once your heart is damaged, it's damaged. And at the minute, there is no way of fixing that. So I suppose technology like this gives you the hope that essentially that will be in the past and that they can fix a man's broken heart. Are you taking it out?
Bronnach's condition means she can't be left alone, even with her children. But she's grasping to the promise of scientific advances that may just one day change her life. Adele Robinson, Sky News.
David Cameron